Hey, it's Kilobyte here, and it has been about 2,300 miles since I put my oil catch can on. 2019 Mazda MX-5 RF, and it is time to check, see how much oil we have caught. As you can see, if you saw my first video on the install of it, yeah, it's still zip tied in. I had started to work on the brackets and just got so busy I didn't get time to properly put it in, you know, where it looks good. But it's been solid here. I've had a lot of interstate driving, some city driving, and a trip to Tail of the Dragon. That is the type of driving that it is seen. So let's see what we caught. The car has 4,300 miles on it. I put the catch can on about 2,000. So that's 2,300 miles. I changed the oil 500 miles ago. So most of it is on the original Mazda oil. So how much do you think it caught? I will tell you, it did register on the bottom of the dipstick. I was a little surprised. The little dipstick, if you saw the first video, it did register at the very bottom of that. Yep. Let's see what we got. Woo! Alright, it's at an angle so you can't read it. It was 2 ounces. That's right, 2 fluid ounces. And it is the nastiest color. Wow. Anyway, did you notice that there's like 2 different colors? So the top is actually oil, and the bottom where it gets, I guess that's darker, maybe it's not, it's a slightly different color at least, that's water. It's an aluminum catch can. It's winter, and so it would actually get some condensation in it. So that's actually water. It's not as bad as it looks. I would say though still that 2/3 of that is oil. So of the 2 ounces, 2/3 of that is oil, over an ounce. Of course, this container is not at all easy to get an exact percentage. So we're gonna go with 2/3. I'm gonna say about 1.3 ounces of oil is my guess in 2,300 miles. That is on a 19, which is, I heard, had improved baffling on the PCV valve area. I'm thinking that that's probably not the case now after looking at it. If anyone has a catch can on their ND, if they want to post what they get and how many miles, that would be great. This is mostly on the factory Mazda oil. So I'm thinking the catch can is definitely worth it. Keep that off the valves. I hope this was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.